Tobacco begins its journey here, in carefully cultivated fields. Each leaf is selected at the right stage of growth. Harvesting begins the long transformation from plant to finished product. The harvested leaves are gathered and prepared for transport. Before processing, the raw material still carries the character of the field. From the fields, the harvested leaves begin their journey. They are now transported directly to processing. The journey now moves from agriculture toward industry. At the end of the road, a specialized processing facility awaits. Here, the harvested crop enters a carefully controlled industrial environment. Behind these walls, the raw material begins its transformation. Every incoming batch is received and checked before processing. Inspection separates acceptable raw material from material that does not meet requirements. The incoming material is documented before entering production. From receiving, the tobacco moves steadily toward processing. The continuous production line now takes control of the journey.
Inside the first processing stage, the harvested leaves begin their industrial transformation.
The leaves now enter the first controlled stages of industrial processing. Preparation removes unwanted material while preserving the usable tobacco. Separation creates a cleaner and more consistent material stream. Controlled conditioning prepares the tobacco for the stages that follow. Automated inspection helps maintain consistency throughout the process. Grading organizes the material into controlled production streams. From one stage to another, the material keeps moving without interruption. Carefully controlled blending creates the intended tobacco character. The blended material now moves toward further preparation. Controlled processing brings the material closer to its final form. Every stage is synchronized along one continuous production line. Final conditioning prepares the material. This allows for precise downstream handling. The prepared tobacco is now ready for the finishing stages. Operators continuously watch the line to keep the process stable. The journey now moves from preparation toward final manufacturing. The prepared tobacco is ready for the final stages of the journey. The prepared tobacco now enters the final manufacturing stages. Precision equipment brings the material toward its finished form. Final sorting helps maintain consistent quality throughout the line. The material is stabilized before entering final assembly. Here, tobacco and cigarette paper come together on the production line. Automated assembly completes the basic cigarette structure. Quality control checks that the finished product meets its required standards for appearance and consistency before undergoing detailed laboratory analysis. Samples are analyzed before the product can move forward. Once approved, the finished cigarettes proceed toward packaging. The finished product is now prepared for commercial packaging. Automated packaging transforms the finished cigarettes into retail-ready packs. Each package is sealed, labeled, and prepared for distribution. Retail packages are organized into cartons for storage and distribution. From production, the finished product enters organized storage. The journey ends as the product leaves for distribution.
And this is how modern factories produce cigarettes, from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.